Hello viewers, in this video I will mention the best price of 5 tablets. If you can get these pricing, you can definitely buy your favorite tablet, otherwise you should wait for another sale. Hello viewers, Flipkart Freedom Sale will start in the month of August. Many people are in confusion regarding the price point of many tablets of their choice. They are asking me the best price of each and every tablet, but I don't think you will get the best offer on tablets because Freedom Sale is not the biggest sale of the year. The biggest sale of the year is Big Billion Days sale. In this sale you will get the best discounts on tablets. However, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case if you get the pricing of 22 to 24,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi variant, you can definitely buy this tablet. And if you are planning to buy the 5G variant, in that case the best price is 27,000 rupees. The second tablet in the list is Moto Pad 60 Pro. Currently the price of this tablet is on the higher side because this is a newly launched tablet. So if you want to know the best price of this tablet, it is around 21,000 rupees, but I don't think you will get this pricing. So you have to wait for another sale, or if you get this pricing you can definitely buy this at 21,000 rupees. The third tablet that you can buy is iPad 11th generation. It is a newly launched iPad and the best price for this iPad is around 27,000 rupees. At 27,000 rupees, iPad 11th generation is a very good option with A16 Bionic chipset and 128 GB of internal storage. If you are a fan of Oneplus tablet, in that case you can buy Oneplus Pad 2. This is a very good tablet and the best price for the 128 GB is around 30,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256 GB of Oneplus Pad 2, in that case you can buy it at around 32,000 rupees, but don't buy above this price point. The next tablet that is in high demand for people is Xiaomi Pad 7. Actually this is a all-round tablet with all the very good features in this tablet. If you want to buy the 128 GB variant, in that case the best price is 21,000 rupees, and if you get this pricing definitely you can grab this deal. And if you don't get this pricing, I would request you to wait till Big Billion Days sale to get best offers on Xiaomi Pad 7. So these are the 5 tablets that you can buy and have a very good multimedia consumption as well as writing experience. All these tablets support note taking, but you have to buy the pencil separately. Only Tab S9 FE Plus provides the S Pen in the box. That is an added advantage for the users who don't have to spend too much amount extra in accessories. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.